We tried to go there. They prevent us to go there. They said it's not allowed. It's a military area. You can't go there. And we asked them to see some women who asked us to go out. There is some lady, they need to go to the hospital to follow up. They said it's not allowed for you. It says a military area. They declare it as a military area now, closed military area. Families, they are in the houses. But some of these buildings, it's as now, it's as they make questions to the people who are asking them to go out from the buildings, the houses, the security of the Israelis. They use it as a place where they ask the people, where they search the people, where they make pressure on the people. It's as a prison, as you see. They arrest two people.
خلينا ناخذ الحاجة تعالي. كان بيبي معهم.
اوكي. هلا انا نيمته هلا هو
بيبي اللي شهرين. خرج برا معهم.
ايوه.
Left to right.
شو هالعمل هذا اللي بيعملوه الجيش؟
خلينا ناخذ الحاجة تعالي.